in a dusty hole in the Kansas rain-starved ground. Took a last long look at the family farm, then he laid that old shovel down. He said, Mama, I'm going to the bank today to renegotiate our loan. One way or another I'll make it right, or I won't be coming home. Sorry to hear about your daddy, boy, but we all gotta go sometime. I guess you're here to talk about the loan you know you're several months behind. The banker smiled and straightened his tie, said, you know I'm gonna have to foreclose. Then the banker stopped smiling cause his eyes started looking at the pistol up his nose. Yeah, good old boys go bad sometimes, good old boys go bad. Sometimes they just get crazy, sometimes they just get mad. When suits and ties decide what's right, and people, that's where we're at. Family pride gets pushed aside when good old boys go bad. It comes as no surprise to see you're leaving, 'cause lately you've been showing all the signs. Judging from my past, I couldn't change things if I tried. 'Cause doing wrong is the only thing I'm always doing right. You can always count on me to be the one who's never there when I'm the one you need. You won't find me anywhere. If you don't want someone to lean on or hold you while you dream, then you can always count on me. This ain't the first goodbye I've had to live. I got a call today from Mama. She could hear it in my voice. Things weren't right. I couldn't bring myself, Lord, to tell her. I know she'll never want to see me in this life. Zip these holes in my boots get any bigger, I won't be lying then, yeah, when I tell her I'm almost on my feet again. These old jeans may be ragged, this shirt on my back, Lord, it's been worn. I never lied once to my precious mama, but I'll I'll be damned if I ever let that woman down. 'Cause if these holes in my boots get any bigger, well, I won't be lying then, yeah, when I tell her, well, I'm almost on my feet again. Well, I'm going crazy as the next man in line, on welfare and I ain't got a dime. I got kids to feed, a woman at home. I hate to be like a dog begging for a bone. If you want to see an old country boy perk, all I need is a little bit of work. I need to work. Hey, straw boss, I need to work. I'll be your Wall Street man or even digging your dirt. All I need is a little bit of work. This old country's in a heck of a mess. I can't get it off my chest. Turn the TV on, sit on that couch. Another bell out and we're all heading south. Kinda getting hungry, I got a little jerk. All I need is a little bit of work. I need to work. Hey boss man, I need to work. I'll be your Wall Street man or even digging your dirt. All I need is a little bit of work. Shot me some dice in the middle of the night, and the only white man in the room. Must have been hot when I pulled that slot, cashed me 50,000 too. Well, I've been caught in the back seat, loving on an old boy's wife. If I'd have been about 2 inches taller, he would have took my life. Somebody must be watching out for me. I'm a lucky SOB. Had a beautician, mortician, one named Mary, and two with a southern drawl. No matter how drunk I ever got, Lord, I still couldn't run them off. I got a damn good ticker for an old picker that lives on Jack and Coke. This single white trailer that I was raised up in couldn't hold all I smoke. Fall in a river and come up with a glass of tea. I'm a lucky SOB. Well, I'm a lucky SOB. You don't ever wanna bet against me. I can wear my crimson tide t-shirt in a bar full of 10 old C's. Hey, I'm still standing and still got all my teeth.